Well, hey there folks, it's Alex here from the show Alex Build Stuff. Show Ash how to build stuff and I'll show you. So today we've just got a little mini episode for y'all. Noticed that there seems to be a few videos out there about installing swivel seats in Chevy Expresses or other vans. And I just so happen to be in a Chevy Express. And I'm installing a swivel seat in it. Okay, back to normal, boys. I have purchased a swivel seat from Amazing Auto. Probably can't read it because my camera doesn't like to focus. But I'm going to be installing it today so that you can watch how to do it. It's really simple. First step. There's 4 bolts. They're 15 millimeters. Take your classic flat wrench and undo them all. Second step, remove the seat. As you can see, Chevy has this wonderfully simplistic seat base for us to bolt on the swivel seat. Next step, opens the box. Amazing Auto provides you with the necessary hardware to bolt the swivel seat onto your seat base. There she blows. So according to Amazing Auto, this is actually DOT approved. So that's pretty great. This swivel seat was purchased for a Chevy Express, and the holes all line right up. Makes everything very simple. To tighten these bolts up, you're gonna need a 17 and a 16 mil. Or 17 and 5/8. For whatever reason, a 17 is going to fit the nut, and 5/8 is going to fit the bolt. So mix and match, standard and metric. This would be much easier if I had ratcheting wrenches. There you go. Also, just make a note that this van is just the cargo version of the Chevy Express. Super basic, does not have power seats or anything like that, no side airbag or whatever. However, this swivel does obviously allow for the wiring for those things to come right through the bottom of the seat. So that's really nice, and you can see that it is like super sturdy. It swivels really easy. It's got a really nice big locking mechanism there that's, you know, this thing's not budging at all when it's locked in place. Yeah, I think it's a really great product. Definitely suggest. Now I'm going to put the seat on. There you have it. That is the swivel seat base installed. Please make note that this swivel seat does raise your passenger seat up by about 1.5 inches roughly, I think. The dimensions on how much it lifts are on the website obviously, but yeah, your passenger seat's just going to be a tiny bit higher unless you cut down the seat base. That's it. It took me probably less than 10 minutes, and it took me that long because I had to go find the tools, but now you know which ones to get. So really easy install and really high quality product. So if you have a Chevy Express or GMC Savannah or whatever, and you want a swivel seat, I strongly suggest getting an Amazing Auto swivel seat. I'll put the website in the description below. Right, folks, if you enjoyed this video, feel free to hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this or adventure videos, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any kind comments to leave with me, just feel free to do so in the comment section below. Until next time, remember to keep on roaming. Later. Nope, not that way. Ha ha!